Oh, it's time. Frankie, put us through the paces. Frankie, are you ready to do this? He's Mr. Fitness. Look at this guy.
No.
All right, speaking of, Chester Taylor is also Mr. Fitness. He's got a gym in Scarborough that's been shut down. As you're approaching your 2-year anniversary, I know you cannot wait for stage 3 so you can open back up, right, Chester? Good morning.
Good morning, Chester.
Yes, good morning. Good morning. I can't wait. I can't wait.
So good to see you. So what have you been doing in the interim?
Well, when we started, what I did was I put some workouts online on our page at tcfwsportsacademy.com. If you take a look, we had about 50 workouts there. So I wanted to keep my clients engaged.
Yeah.
So I made sure that I put workouts online for them.
And how would you describe your gym? Is it like a CrossFit? What type of or style do you do
I would
there?
say yes. Cross-training style gym where we actually do classes and we train a lot of teams and high-end athletes as well. So
that means
once you walk in,
oh man, what about
we got
people
a
who
hard
are just
workout.
trying to get by, Chester? Okay, take it easy on us. I hear this is the full body tune-up because yesterday we got to relax and eat all the good foods, right?
Yeah.
So let's do this.
Exactly. All right, so perfect. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get started with our warm-up. I like to focus on warming up the full body.
Okay.
So the first thing we want to get through today is what we call a hip opener. So we just want to raise our legs up and bring it across. Yeah, raise your legs up and bring it across. Now, if we had more space, you can kind of walk and do the same thing. But these are also good just to warm up the hips. So we got about 2 seconds left of these. Yeah, warming up those hips. Okay?
I cycle a lot. Perfect. I do this a lot.
Right?
Yes, this really works for the hips.
Right
perfect,
hip,
perfect.
Left, right hip, no.
All right.
Okay.
Now let's get into a high knees. Transition to high knees. Yep, get them right up.
I can't go any higher than this, Chester, okay?
Oh, that's fine. That's all. Do your best.
my pants.
All right, let's transition to butt kicks.
Oh, butt kicks. Bad bump.
What's a butt?
Kick your bump.
Oh, yeah, you're going
all right.
All
right.
Okay.
Good. Keep moving.
He's going
keep moving.
fast.
Yep, there we go.
Okay, Chester.
All right, so last one.
Okay.
Last one before we get our workout started.
Nice
jumping jacks.
Okay.
In 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. You want to focus on getting the hand above the head and really squeezing your core tight. Okay, we got 3 seconds so we get right into our workout.
Woo!
3, 2, and 1. All right.
I thought that was a workout. Okay.
That was just a warm-up. Okay.
Chester.
So we're going to get through a quick workout here, and I want to go for at least 2 minutes. So can you guys commit to 2 minutes for me?
That's 120 seconds.
Exactly. All the way through. Front squats. We're going to start with 6 in 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lunges, reverse, ready. Hands on the hips, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are we going too fast, Frankie?
Maybe. That's okay.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. 5 and 6.
Nice.
Good.
No,
Let's transition to a push-up.
Oh.
Right now, push-ups. 3, 2, and 1. You can be on your knees for modified. I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Let's repeat. 4 squats now. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 lunges. 1.
Doing backs. Oh, yeah.
2, 3. I'm sweating. I hope y'all are sweating.
Woo.
All right.
We're in the sun, Chester.
And 1. Perfect. Let's get on the floor. 4 push-ups.
Ain't no shame in the modified game.
2, 3, and 4. All right. So we got our last round before we get to our quick core blast. 2 squats. 1, 2 lunges. 1, 2, 2 push-ups. 1 and 2. All right, everybody meet me down here. We got 30 seconds of core. Okay. So we got to start with our Supermans. Legs up, hands up. Hold.
You know what?
Got 10 seconds. 10.
Chester. Sore.
Yes. 9, 8, 7,
Frankie, you're good at this.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. But we got 3 seconds and we got twists here.
Twist.
Hands together, legs up, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Woo!
All right, last round. Last
Okay.
round.
Okay.
Give me 6 here. Okay, let's go. Hold for 6 seconds. 3, 2, and 1 down. 6 twists. This is it. This is it. Give me all you got. 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Woo!
Great job.
Great job. Go
Great
team.
job.
Frankie had us planking. This guy can do a 3-minute plank over here. You know what I'm saying, Chester? He's starting to plank.
I love it.
But that's not
I
after
love
Canada
it.
Day.
Yeah. Where do we find more information if we want to take part online?
All right, so we recently had a name change. So we have TCFW Sports Academy on Instagram,
Yep.
and also my personal page, the Chest Fit Way,
Okay.
on Instagram as well.
Okay, Chester, that's great. How do we
Yes,
end
sir.
this? What do you want to do, Frankie? Let's do one more thing as we go to break.
Yeah, because we're in the sun. I think what we're going to do is what's called the sunbathe.
Oh, I love this one.
It's to stretch
I
out.
do a lot of that.
Lay down and bake like a baguette.
Thanks, Chester. We love you.
All right, thank you. Have a great day, guys.
We'll be right back with more BT right after that.